Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So, if you are watching my video first time, so please subscribe and share with your friends. In today's class, I am giving you again simple tricks for Karnataka CET. See what is here on differential equations, and those, even though you are not studied the differentiation and integration also, you will get the one question, and for that question you will get 1 mark without any practice of differentiation and integration. That trick I am giving here, and one important question, definite question you will get in the CET. So before moving to that, see first I will give the tricks on order and degree. Order means what? If you differentiate once, if you get to dy upon dx, or it is written as y dash, or like this. These are the symbol for a first derivative. Listen that carefully. First derivative, that means one time differentiation. If you have d square y upon dx square, or it is also written as y double dash, or it is y2. This is what? 2 times differentiation. 2 times differentiation. That is, we are calling it as second order derivative. Second order differentiation. If you write like this, it is a third time differentiation. Third time differentiation is third order derivative. See that word order comes or not. That means it is very simple. How many times you are differentiating? How many times you are differentiating? Maximum derivative differentiation that present in the equation. That present in the equation is called order. See, first order, second order, third order, like that. ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟೆಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್, in that whatever is the number, power, that power we are writing as a degree. That power we are writing as a degree. And when you are writing the order and the degree, try to see that in the or in the that power no fraction. If the fraction is there, try to cancel that fraction. It will not affect the order, but it will affect the degree. Here fraction is there. If the fraction is present, don't write the degree. Don't write the degree. Try to eliminate that fraction. Eliminate means don't rub it. Try to solve that. See, now I am moving to that question. The order of the differential equation. Maximum time differentiated out of these two is, this is a 2 times differentiated. 2 times differentiated. So order is 2. But usually what the lectures are telling, when you are writing, try to avoid, as I told you, try to avoid the fraction. So this is nothing but what? D square y upon dx square whole raised to cube, and it is raised to half means it is a square root of this. And you know how to cancel the square root. To cancel the square root, what you are doing? We are squaring on both the sides, right? When you square on both the sides, its value changes. Its power becomes 6, and here square root get cancels. You are writing d square y upon dx square raised to 6, squaring, and it is 1 plus dy upon dx. Even though you are squaring, this value will not change. Differentiation, how many times differentiation, that will not change. That means the order remains same. The order remains same. Order is 2. That is one method. Degree means what? This is the highest derivative. Now you are finding, even though I am not asking, just I will explain. This is the highest derivative. Its power is 6. Here in this problem, this is the order and this is the degree. Even though I am not asking the degree, I just like to explain you, I wrote that. This is the degree. Now I am moving to the second question. The degree of the differential equation. When you are writing a degree, you have to see that in the power there is no negative number, no fractions. We cannot mention negative number as a order or a degree. That is one method. And no fraction. As I explained here, you have to eliminate that. You have to solve that fraction to write the degree. Order, it will not change. And the important is it should be in the polynomial form. The equation will be in the polynomial form. Many students, they are weak in basics. They will not understand what I told that polynomial. Leave that and keep in one part. For CET purpose, I will explain one simple trick. Here log x, if it is a log x, what you are telling? Log x, log value is x. Log x. Without x, log has a no meaning. Without x, log has a no meaning only. If you write only log, what is the value? It's no, it has no value only. Like that, it is log of d square y upon dx square. That means d square y upon dx square is not free. Something is depending on that. Some term is depending on that. Like that is present at that time, you cannot write the degree. You cannot write the degree. If any value is present, any value is depending on that derivative. Any value is depending on that derivative. How? See that one more example I am giving here. If any value is depending on that derivative, for example, it is sin dy upon dx. In this, without dy upon dx, only sin has no value. It is just a spelling. It don't have any value. You are writing sin theta, sin 45 like that. It is sin dy upon dx. That means sin is depending on dy upon dx. If any term is depending on dy upon dx, you cannot write the degree. That means the degree of the differential equation is none. We no need to see the remaining, because here log is depending on this. In these type of examples, you cannot mention the degree. See here, next question. If P and Q are the order and degree of the differential equation, then which is satisfied? Here, when you observe this equation, maximum time differentiated is twice, d square y upon dx square. That means order is 2. And above that, its power is 2. Order is 2, degree is 2. That means P is the order, Q is the degree. Order and degree both are present as a 2, 2 means P is equal to Q. Next, the degree of the differential equation. As I told you, no value should be depend on dy upon dx when you are writing a degree. Here, sin is depending on dy upon dx means you cannot write the degree. Degree is not defined. And see this equation, y double dash is what? D square y upon dx square plus e raised to dy upon dx. What you are observing? E is depending on this power, its value. When dy upon dx changes, E value also changes. That means again E is depending on that dy upon dx. If anything is depending on dy upon dx means you cannot write the degree. Order is what? Maximum time differentiated is twice. Order to degree not defined. I will give few more examples on this. See the next question, the order of the differential equation. By seeing only you can see that maximum time differentiated is twice, that is d square y upon dx square. For that there is no power means, can we write like this or what? There is no power means it is nothing but raised to 1, correct or not? Maximum time differentiated is twice, above that the power is 1. So the order, here order is 1, degree is 3, order is 2, second time differentiated, its degree is 1. To explain that I wrote both. This is the order, 2 times differentiated, this is the degree. Even though degree is not asked, just I have explained. The order of the differential equation is 2. Next, the degree of the differential equation. Maximum time differentiation is twice, d square y upon dx square. Its power is 2. So order 2, degree 2. Then what is the degree? Degree 2. Here, the order and degree of the differential equation. Order and degree. Here, there is no fraction in the power, so no need to expand this. Maximum time differentiated is twice, d square y upon dx square, as I explained here. There is no number means 1. Order to degree 1. First order they mentioned the word. That's why respectively. Order to degree 1. So moving to the next example, that is the degree of the differential equation. As I told you, to write the degree, first we have to check whether the fraction is present in the power or what. If the fraction is present, try to solve that. I told you, try to solve. Solve means don't rub it. Here the power is 3 by 2. Here denominator is 3 by 2 is what? It is square root of some value. It's a cube. Some value, whatever this value is there, that I wrote in the bracket. It is a square root. Here 2 is present. Here means it is a square root. How to cancel square root? To cancel a square root, what you are doing? We are squaring on both the sides. When you square this, it is written as 1 upon dy upon dx whole square power 3. 2 get cancels. And this is what? This becomes d square y upon dx square whole square, because we are squaring on both the sides. When you square, what is the degree of the differential equation? Highest derivative is this one, its power is 2. Degree of the differential equation is 2. You can say that the order is also 2, but the order is not asked here. Again, I will give you 2-3 examples, important examples, and one definite question you will get in the CET depending on order and degree. See the next one, the order and degree of the differential equation. As I told you, to write the order, it is very simple. It is of second order because 2 times differentiated. But when you are writing a degree, there will be no fraction in the power. 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. Even though if you take a LCM of 4 and 5, 20, raise it by 20, you will not cancel the fraction throughout the equation. So, you cannot cancel the fraction throughout the equation, means order to degree not defined. Because if fraction is present in the power, we cannot write the degree. That is one point you have to notice that. And next one, family y is equal to ax plus a cube of a curves is represented by the differential equation of degree. When you write a differential equation, you are familiar, we have to eliminate the constant. How to eliminate the constant? See, when you differentiate this, let us call this as 1. Differentiate, you will get dy upon dx is equal to a, because this is a constant. Now write down this value in given equation. Y is equal to x into dy upon dx plus dy upon dx whole cube. See, the constant is eliminated or what? How many times you are differentiated? We differentiated once. Order 2. Highest power is 3. Then what is the degree? Degree is 3. See, is it simple or what? I will give 2-3 again important questions, then I will stop. See the 12th question. The number of arbitrary constants in the general solution of a differential equation of 4th order is. See, general solution is depending on the arbitrary constants. How many arbitrary constants are present, that much order we are finding. So the number of arbitrary constants in the general solution of a differential equation of 4th order. If the order is 4, means there are 4 arbitrary constants. Understood? If there are 4 arbitrary constants, means the order of the, after solving the differential equation has the order 4. Remember, general solution is depending on the number of arbitrary constants. And the next one is, please note down this, particular solution. Particular solution is free from arbitrary constant. That means there is no arbitrary constant. Free from arbitrary constant. Whatever is the order. See, the number of arbitrary constants in the particular, remember, particular solution is free from. Free means no arbitrary constant. Solution of a differential equation of order, 3rd order, there is no arbitrary constants. Remember, in the particular solution, it is 0. Next, the degree of the differential equation, d square y upon dx square plus, as you know that in the question, in the equation, if the power contains a fraction, we cannot write the degree. And here you cannot write it directly. This is written as d square y upon dx square is equal to minus the term with power, separate it. Now it is 3 by 2. Now rising, it is 3 by 2 is what? Square root of some value cube. Squaring on both the sides. When you square, you will get like this. Minus gets plus, squaring. Minus into minus plus, no. And highest differentiated is 2 times. Its power is 2. Order is also 2 degree, but they are asking only degree. Degree is 2. And here we have a fraction. Try to cancel both the fraction. How to cancel that fraction? See that denominator, one has a 4 and one is a 3. What is the LCM? LCM is 12. So rising both the sides by 12. Rising both the sides by 12, you will get into 12. This and this get cancels here. Now we are not have the fractions. It is 1 plus dy upon dx whole square raised to 3 is equal to d square y upon dx square raised to 4. Now you can say that this value is known as order, this value is known as degree. Can you tell me what is a degree? Yes, it is nothing but degree is 4. So please see this video correctly and practice this, because you have one definite question in the CET for order and degree value.